Hi everyone, this is a muscle functional grouping quiz style video. I have a bunch of tags on the models and one picture. I'll go through all of the questions, write down your answers as we go, and then I'll go over the answer key at the end. Okay, let's get started. I have multiple models as well, so I might be switching back and forth. First, I have number 1 here. I've also tagged it here. It's just better seen on the other model. 2. And then 3 is seen after removing this. 4 is asking what's their common action, and remember to be specific for this one. And common nerve. We got 6 through 8 IDs. Here's 6, 7, and 8. You can also see 8 down here. Nine, what is their common action? And 10, a common nerve. Next we have 11, 12, 13, and 14. So there's 4 ID tags, and they're all right here. The 11, 12, 13, and 14. 15, what is their common action? And 16, common nerve. Next we have specifically a picture. Oh, wrong one. Alright, so we have 17 is pointing to this muscle. 18 is pointing to this muscle, and 19 is this muscle. 20, what is their common action? And 21, common nerve. Alright. 22 through 25 is asking to name the 4 muscles of the tongue. You don't need to know specific IDs for the tongue muscles, just gotta remember what they're named and their common nerve. (27 through 29 is on this model. We're gonna look up here. So here's 27, 28, and 29. (30), what is their common action? And 31, common nerve. Alright, going back to the other model for 32, 33, and 34, we have 32 in yellow. And then 33 and 34. 35, what is the common action of 32 and 33? So 32 and 33, specifically in the transverse plane. And what is their common nerve? 37 to 39 is here. What are these muscles? And what is the common action of 37 and 38? And common nerve of all of them. Alright. Answer key number 1 is your temporalis. Here. 2 is masseter. Deep to 2. 3 is pointing to your medial pterygoid. They all are muscles of mastication, and specifically they do elevation. And they're all innervated by the trigeminal nerve. Next we have your sternohyoid. Let me get a better angle. So this is your sternohyoid, running from the sternum to the hyoid. 7, this is your thyrohyoid, running from your thyroid, to your hyoid. And then 8 is omohyoid, which runs down and out. All these muscles assist with chewing and swallowing and are innervated by ansa cervicalis. Next we have orbicularis oculi, levator anguli oris, the buccinator, and depressor labii inferioris. All of these muscles do facial expressions and are all innervated by the facial nerve. Next we have that picture. 17 is rectus capitis posterior major. 18 was obliquus capitis superior. 19 obliquus capitis inferior. 20, they all do suboccipital ipsilateral rotation. So that's rotation of the skull, and are all innervated by the suboccipital nerve. Next we have our 4 muscles of the tongue. We have styloglossus, hyoglossus, palidoglossus, and genioglossus. And they are all innervated by the hypoglossal nerve. Next we have our suprahyoids. 27, this is geniohyoid. 28 is digastric. And 29 is stylohyoid. All of these muscles assist with chewing and swallowing and are all innervated by the trigeminal nerve. Next we have 32, which is the sternocleidomastoid. 33 is your upper trapezius, and 34 is lower trapezius. 33 and 32 both do contralateral rotation of the cervical spine. And they're all innervated by the spinal accessory nerve. Finally, we have 37, 38, and 39, the middle scalene, posterior scalene, and anterior scalene. 37 and 38 do lateral flexion of the C-spine, or the cervical spine, and they are all innervated by anterior rami. That's it for the quiz. There's a couple more muscles, specifically trunk muscles, for this unit, and you can review functional grouping for those with the video already posted on the ANP YouTube page. Great, I hope that was helpful.